Hey Maya, guess what? My dad told me that AI is gonna change everything in his IT job, Alex. He's a bit nervous about it.
Really, Alex? My mom works with AI every day. She says it's making her job easier and even more fun. She's always talking about how AI is the future of everything.
Whoa! Really, Maya? What's so cool about AI anyway?
Let me tell you, Alex. It's like having a super smart helper that can do things faster and sometimes better than humans. Did you know that by 2030, AI is projected to contribute a whopping $15.7 trillion to the global economy?
15 trillion? That's huge, Maya, but what does it actually do?
Well, in IT, AI can help write code, find bugs faster, and even predict problems before they happen. It's like having a crystal ball, but for computers.
Hey guys, what are you talking about?
We're talking about AI and how it's changing everything. Liam, did you know 85% of IT leaders believe AI will transform the way they work by 2025?
That sounds cool, but isn't AI just going to take over all the jobs? My older brother says AI will make lots of people lose their jobs. Yeah, my dad's worried about that too. But Maya's mom said AI might actually create new jobs. For example, by 2027, 375 million jobs worldwide could be automated by AI. But new opportunities are also popping up, so it's not all bad news. But what about people who lose their jobs? My brother thinks that's a big problem. And how do we know AI will make things better?
That's a good point. While AI might automate some jobs, it also helps people with new tasks and makes things more efficient. Like AI chatbots are expected to save businesses over $8 billion per year by 2025.
And it's not just saving money. AI can help with so many things like medical diagnoses. My dad said AI is already helping doctors find diseases faster. Yeah, but what if you're just starting out? Shouldn't we worry about how to prepare for this AI future?
Definitely. The demand for AI skills has increased by 344% since 2015. Learning about AI and coding can help us stay ahead.
Okay, but how do we even start learning about this stuff? It sounds like a lot.
There are lots of cool resources out there, like online videos, games, and coding camps for kids. Plus, learning now means we'll be ready for the future.
And it's not just about learning new skills. It's also about how we use these skills. For example, AI can help us understand big data and make better decisions. That's true. My brother said data is like a treasure trove of information. AI helps dig through it all to find the important stuff.
Exactly. AI makes it easier to handle huge amounts of data and spot patterns that would be hard for people to see on their own.
But what if AI makes mistakes or invades our privacy? My brother said that people are really worried about that. My mom says it's important for AI creators to make sure it's used responsibly.
Yeah, 72% of people are concerned about AI affecting jobs and privacy.
So we have to be careful about how AI is used. It's a big responsibility.
Exactly. AI can be amazing if we use it wisely and think about its impact.
And what about fairness? My brother said AI could be unfair if it's not programmed correctly.
That's another big issue. AI needs to be trained on good data and used in a fair way.
So it's not just about making AI work well, but also about making sure it's fair for everyone. What if we could create our own AI? What kind of AI would you make?
I'd make an AI that helps people learn new things easily, like a super tutor that can explain stuff in fun ways.
I'd create an AI that helps with environmental issues, like finding ways to clean up pollution or save endangered animals. Those sound amazing. Maybe one day we'll get to build AIs like that.
Definitely. The possibilities are endless if we use AI to solve real-world problems.
And as long as we keep thinking about how to use AI responsibly, the future will be bright. Wow, Maya and Liam, you've really got me thinking about AI now. It sounds like the future is going to be exciting. Yeah, it does! It's like we have to be ready to adapt and learn new things.
Totally. The future is what we make of it. AI is just one tool we can use to make the world better. We just need to learn how to use it and always think about the people it affects.
I can't wait to start learning more. Maybe one day we'll even work together, me and IT and you two with AI.
That would be awesome. The future is ours to build.
Absolutely, let's get ready for it.
Ready to dive into the world of AI? Subscribe to the Knowledge Nitro channel for more cool videos. and let's explore the future together.